Okay, Rob, I've got your gun all done here. This is the 6-barrel chain gun you were looking for. Terribly sorry this took so long to get to you. I just got jammed up in a couple of my other projects. This is your gun, serial number 8294, model number 134. It's a minigun, .308 caliber, M134 replica. 6 barrels, powered 6 barrels. Power cord, of course, modular, so it comes right out. We can plug that right in. It's got a mounting base on it right here. Mounting base on it right here for the swing arm you wanted to go into this. Let me show you that. The swing arm, this piece right here, mounts into the base of the unit. Same circle diameter. I've got a bolt that goes right through that and you tighten it in. So the gun mounts right on the swing arm. The other end of the swing arm is your pintle adapter. If we pull the pin, we can see that I've got the military pintle right here. Goes right into your pintle adapter. If you lock it in there, the pin, of course, locks it right in so it doesn't come out. Now this one is designed with a bolt and a pin, so you could take it out if you wanted to, take the arm off, take the gun and mount the gun directly to the pintle. That is also sized up to do that. The way it works right now, the swing arm does not go up and down on this pintle. The up and down motion is provided by the gun. This does move 90 degrees either way. And of course down here you've got a full 360. So with that we should have plenty of motion. On the other end, we've got a 360 degree swivel here. So your gun will do 360. Directly on the swing arm, your gun will do 360. This gives you a 360 degree motion. The gun comes with about 24 inches of real ammo. Of course, with all of my materials, everything is fully drilled out. These are inert rounds. They are strictly for show. To mount them into the gun, load them front size first. And then there's a little clip right up here. You want to get the first round right over that clip. There you go, just like that. See how that slipped in there? That way these things can pull all day, you know, if you're doing full wheeling or something like that, and they won't fall out. The gun is designed to work on a 12-volt system. That's a car battery, truck battery, or I've actually worked them with a lawnmower battery. Let me take this, hook it up to a battery, and I'll show you how the whole thing works. So in this case what I've done is I've just run the cable over to a lawnmower battery. So in this case I've just run the power cord over to a lawnmower battery. You can see the plain red wire is hooked up to the positive. The black and red is hooked up to the negative. Now if you get those reversed, the gun will still work. There's just one little thing I'll show you about. On the operating panel of the gun, hit the main switch up. You can see that green light comes on. You got enough power to make the gun work, and all you got to do is just push one of the buttons. The barrels will spin. When the main switch goes up, you'll notice the green light does not come on, but the gun still runs. So that's an indicator, if you don't have it hooked up right to the battery, is that green light. It doesn't come on if you hook it up backwards. Just like a standard military M134, we've got a warning tag on there. This is the 12-volt only system. Main motor drive is up the top. We have the ammo feed on the side, and there's an ammo eject port down the bottom. So let me get this whole thing into a crate for you. I'm actually going to ship it out in 2 crates. There'll be 1 crate for the pintle adapter and the swing arm, and the much larger crate will be the gun itself. And I'll push you a tracking number for both of those. Okay, Rob, this is everything in the crate with the exception of the ammunition. This is the gun crate. Remember, there'll be another crate for the swing arm and the pintle adapter. I just want to review for a minute the paperwork we put in here for you. First is the federal regulations regarding marking of toy firearms, particularly with the orange tips on all of the barrels. The tips need to be there because I am the one manufacturing this toy firearm. It is my obligation to make sure this is on there, both when I ship it and when you receive it. Next thing we have is the Unusual Machines return policy. Basically, 60-day guarantee on everything. That's 100%. If you just don't like the way the color of the thing looks, you can send it back. I'll give you a 100% free refund for 60 days. Now, a repair policy is a little bit different. Beyond the 60 days, it's possible things might break. You know, things happen. What this says is, if you contact me first, we can troubleshoot it down to a very small thing. If you email me the parts, we will repair it at a minimum cost or replace it with entirely new. But the bottom line is basically, please contact me first before you post any negative feedback.